Good day, children. Today, our lesson is all about Roman numerals. Let us now first discuss what is a Roman numerals. When we say Roman numerals, those are the symbols used to represent numbers. And Roman numerals are based on 7 symbols. Roman numeral I, its value in Hindu-Arabic numeral is 1. The value of Roman numeral V is 5. And the value of Roman numeral X in Hindu-Arabic numeral, it is 10. Roman numeral L, the value is 50. Roman numeral C, its value in Hindu-Arabic numeral is 100. Roman numeral D, its value is 500. And the last one, Roman numeral M, in Hindu-Arabic numeral, its value is 1000. A bar can be placed above the symbol to indicate multiplication by 1000. Let us now study the table below. Roman numeral V that has bar on top, in Hindu-Arabic numeral, the value is 5000. How will we get 5000? Simply, the value of V is 5, multiply it by 1000. The result or the value is 5000. Roman numeral X that has bar on top, in Hindu-Arabic numeral, the value of it is 10,000. Roman numeral X, its value is 10, multiply it by 1000, the value or the result is 10,000. Roman numeral X that has bar on top, in Hindu-Arabic numerals, its value is 50,000. Roman numeral L, its value is 50,000. Multiply it by 1000, so we get this 50,000. Roman numeral C, that has bar on top, its value is 100,000. Roman numeral C is 100, multiply it by 1000, so we get 100,000. Roman numeral D that has bar on top, its value or in its result in Hindu-Arabic numeral, it is 500,000. Roman numeral D, its value is 500, multiplied by 1000, so we get 500,000. And last one, Roman numeral M that has bar on top, in Hindu-Arabic numerals, its value is 1 million. Roman numeral M, its value is 1000, multiplied by 1000, so we get this 1 million. We have also 3 basic rules in Roman numerals. Our first rule is, when digits are repeated, they are added together. The Roman numeral I, X, C, and M can be repeated 3 times successively. For example, we have here the Roman numeral I. It is repeated 3 times. So, its value is 3. What you are going to do is you just add it together. The value of I is 1 plus 1 plus 1. So, we get the value of 3. Another example. We have here Roman numeral X. It is repeated 3 times. So, what you were going to do again is you add the value of it together. 10, the value of X is 10 plus 10 plus 10, So we get 30. Another, we have here the Roman numeral C. It is also repeated 3 times. The value of Roman numeral C is 100. So what you are going to do again is you add it together. 100 plus 100 plus 100. The result is 300. Another, we have here Roman numeral M. The value of M is 1000. It is also repeated 3 times. So, what you are going to do again is you add it together. The value of M is 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000, and you get 3000. Our next rule is when a large digit occurs before a smaller digit, the digits are added together. For example, Roman numeral V and I, its value is 6. Roman numeral V has a value of 5 and Roman numeral I has a value of 1. As you notice in our given example, the value of Roman numeral V is larger than the value of the Roman numeral I. And it occurs before the smaller one. So, what you are going to do is you add its value to get 6. Another example, Roman numeral X and V, its value is 15. The value of X is 10 and the value of V is 5. So we get the value of 15. As you notice, the larger digit occurs before the small digit. So we add it together to get the 15. The third one, Roman numeral L and X, its value is 60. We also add it together because the value of the Roman numeral L is larger than the value of Roman numeral X. So we get the value of 60. For our last example, Roman numeral C and X, its value is 110. We also add it together because the value of C is 100, which is larger digit before the smaller, which is the value of X, 10. So, we add it together to get 110. For our third rule, when a smaller digit occurs before a larger digit, it is subtracted from the larger digit. For example, Roman numeral I and V is equal to 4. How do we get this? As you notice, the smaller digit occurs before the larger digit, so we subtract the value of 1 into the value of V, which is 5. So 5 subtracted by 1, we get 4. Another example, we have here the Roman numeral I and X, we get 9. As you notice again, the smaller digit occurs before the larger one. So, the value of X is 10, subtracted by the value of I, which is 1, we get the value of 9. For our third example, we have here Roman numeral X and Roman numeral L. The value is 40. As you notice again, the smaller digit comes first before the larger digit. So, the value of L is 50 subtracted by the value of X, which is 10. The result is 40. For our last example, we have here Roman numeral X and Roman numeral C. Its result is 90. As you notice again, a smaller digit comes first before the larger digit, which is the Roman numeral C. So Roman numeral C is 100 subtracted by the value of Roman numeral X, which is 10. So we get 90. For your activity, write the following Roman numerals into Hindu-Arabic numerals. Now, you may start answering it, class. Are you all done? Very good. Now, let us proceed to our next activity. For activity number 2, what you were going to do is you change the following numbers into Roman numerals. Now, you may start answering it, class. Are you all done? Very good. That's all for today. Good day and God bless, children.